I am so excited. So if you haven't heard, I am hosting a free 5-day How to Find Your Honey Hole challenge. And the first question I usually get asked is, Whitney, what in the world is a honey hole? Is that like a fishing term or something? Well, no. A honey hole is where we go make the money, honey. It's a neighborhood or a community or a suburb or just a street where you can own 8 of the 10 houses. It's also probably where your competition isn't going. They're not looking in this area, and this is where you can get a deal done fast. You can get a win super duper fast. You can build up your confidence to go out and do more deals and bigger deals and, buy up the whole block. A honey hole is what every real estate investor needs. So I've got a 5-day free challenge coming up. January 11th is our first start date, but we open the group on January the 8th. You got to be in by January the 8th if you want to participate in the free 5-day Find Your Honey Hole challenge. It's all done on Facebook. It's going to be super duper amazing, and I want you to be there. Go to getyourmoneyhoney.com and join us. All right, we've got a messenger bot that'll get you warmed up and welcomed. We've got the group. We've got a waiting list right now of people that are excited to get in, and we will open the doors on January the 8th. So go to getyourmoneyhoney.com and join us for the free 5-day How to Find Your Honey Hole challenge. I can't wait to help you. Woohoo! Let's make this money in 21. Yes.